finally, I'm going to show you how to set up your Nintendo Switch to the dock. That's the dock there. That's the Nintendo Switch behind it. So the dock needs to be facing you with the writing Nintendo Switch 2 facing you. And again, I'm going to lock the screen for now. I'm going to simply press the power button once till the screen goes off. Bring this up, put this down inside the dock. Line it up, and again, you don't have to push down, it simply slots into place, so you don't have to wiggle it around and push down, and that's it. Again, I still don't like this movement here. If I turn it to the side and I show you guys, there's quite a bit of movement there. I don't think the movement is going to be detrimental to the console itself, but it just doesn't look very premium. I'm going to pull the back off. So again, I'm just going to hold this part here. There's a tiny groove here. Put my finger in that groove and simply pull. The back will come off, and that's it. And again, at the back, we have USB-C, HDMI, Ethernet. I'm going to use the HDMI cable that came with it just because it's probably better than the ones I have. The flat side of the HDMI cable, so that's the flat side. There's a side here with a tiny groove. The flat side goes against the back of the case. So that's the flat side on this end going in. That's it. It slots in nicely. USB cable. And again, this is USB-C to USB-C. Quite handy because finally, plug that into the wall, obviously. Plug the HDMI cable into your TV and you're good to go. You can stick to Wi-Fi, but I'm going to be using Ethernet. To put the cartridge in, you need to open the flap on the right hand side when looking at the screen. There's a tiny fingernail edge back there that you can put your fingernail in. You're going to lift up, you're going to pull. The cartridge writing must be facing you as well. And you simply put that there, push it down. And there's going to be one notch it goes down by. Simply push it down again. Once you hear the click, you're good to go. Because I'm going to be using my Switch dock to the TV at all times, this is going to be very useful for me. So to connect it, it's more or less the same as connecting the Joy-Cons to the Switch. Simply pull it close and they snap in place. There you go. And there you go, done. So now you have a somewhat decent controller to use. I predict that Mario Kart World is going to be one of the biggest couch co-op games in the world very, very soon. So I needed 2 controllers. Finally, I've got my Switch plugged into the TV. As soon as I plugged it in, this is what came up. The TV you're using is compatible with HDR. You can configure the display to play with improved visuals. I'm going to do configure.